Hello folks, this is just some drone footage that we took at Lake Loretta in Albany, Georgia on Christmas Day 2021. Now I don't know, but I've been told that certain groups within the military have strange ways of communicating with the general public.
Numbers 3, 6, and 9. Desperate times call for desperate measures, and anyone can see these are strange days indeed.
And by the way, I'd like to add that our hearts go out to the people of the Philippines harshly affected by Typhoon Odette. Such a noble people, emburdened with such hardship, suffering, sorrow, and loss and pain. For many, these are days of sorrow. Not all can see it, but many clearly can. It is a great sickness sweeping across the land. You've heard of the phoenix, the bird who rises from its own carnal ashes. You've heard the old stories of the Canaanites and the Babylonians and their burnt offerings. And you know the era which we're in. But anyway, we spent a couple of days over Christmas visiting my family. Then we made our exit back to our home in the north. And on the way out of town, we hit this little roadside farm stand. Here's some video we took. Here he is. Sunday, the day after Christmas 2021 at Mark's Melon Massacre Patch. Mark's Melon Patch. In between Albany and Dawson, Georgia on Highway 82. Let's go take a look around, shall we, Nora? I feel so at home places like this. I hates me some big city. Hates me some big city. Let's go to the store, shall we? Georgia Certified Farm Market. Them some big pumpkins right there, Bubba. Yes, sirree, Bob. Got an ice cream shack right there. Some pecans, or as we say in the South, pecans, peanuts, corn. It ain't corn season. Key lime pecans. Some cane, sugar cane. Sunflower oil. More key lime pecans.
Oh, key lime pecans.
Peanuts. Little confections. Griddle. Spicy griddle. Very interesting. Peanuts. I love peanuts, Bubba. Yes, sir. What are we looking at?
The quail eggs.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the one that you want.
I still have a
Spicy?
little bit from last time,
You
but
wanna
I
get one?
wouldn't mind having more.
Spicy or mild?
Probably like spicy
I
myself.
like the spicy.
Yeah. It's good
Yeah,
stuff.
look, it's got that
Yep.
jalapenos.
That's what I bought last time here.
You got the pickled okra too.
Green tomato relish. Vidalia onion relish.
Green tomato relish.
Corn relish. Cherry cobbler? What is that?
Cobblers.
Oh my gosh. Peach butter. Man, oh man. Awesome, awesome stuff. Peach cider. Muscadine cider. Another little section of goodies here. Pickled beets, marinated mushrooms, habanero garlic. Look at that, ladies.
Got moonshine jelly.
Georgia moonshine jelly, red pepper jelly, green pepper jelly,
I want this.
jalapeno jelly,
Hot sauce. I'll get this one.
Mark's Hill's habanero hot sauce.
Yeah, I'll get this one.
Wow,
I'll try this.
fancy.
There's some other hot sauce right there.
Pickled watermelon rind right there, ladies.
One thing I noticed, I didn't see any paper towels in the shop.
Look at there, folks. Pork jerky. Beef jerky. Yes, sir, folks. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, folks. We bought a few items. We're going to let Nora show us what we got today here at Mark's Melon Patch in Sasser, Georgia.
Okay, so Frankie got me the key lime pecans, and it's got
Let me get a little picture.
the Mark's Cajun brittle,
Spicy brittle.
Cajun, okay,
Yup.
and also the habanero garlic.
Yes, sirree.
See, he got that.
I like garlic. I like habanero.
Yeah. So.
What else we got there, little Nora?
So I got me a Hell's habanero hot sauce.
A what now?
Habanero.
Hell's habanero hot sauce. Sounds spicy.
And also the spicy pickled quail eggs.
And I've bought those before, and they are chez
And
excelente.
It's got all those jalapeno peppers.
Yes, sir.
So that, and also I got me some fresh peanuts.
Yes, sir.
So-
That's what I'm talking about. Nora, she fries those things with garlic
like it,
cloves,
yeah.
and it is
I
excelente.
like to cook it with lots of garlic. Maybe I can put some of them garlics that you had.
Is that everything we got?
Yep.
Okay, folks. Mark's Melon Patch. Beautiful Sasser, Georgia, which really ain't nothing but a bunch of trees and fields, farms. But that's what we like. And with that,
Thank you. for
let's
watching.
move on down the road.
Thank you for watching. Hit
Headed
like
back
and
to the big
subscribe.
city of Atlanta.
All right, subscribe.
And before we go, just some 4K at 30 frames per second drone footage we took at the Albany Hydroelectric Dam. What would have been a beautiful day was extremely obscured by heavy chemtrailing. Oh, but that's just a conspiracy theory. Yes, Albany, Georgia must be the most heavily chemtrailed small town in America. And I think I know why, but we'll save that for a different day.